Welcome to Scented Palette. Today we are going to make Chicken Chipotle Wrap. Over the years, French fries have become an obligatory side with it. I've already shared a video of 2 kg fries with just 3 tablespoons of oil. If you click on the I button above, it will take you to that video. Now for the wrap, take 3 chicken breasts and cut them into long strips of roughly even width. Time to marinate the chicken. 2 tablespoons soya sauce, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well and leave it for at least half hour. Meanwhile, let's make the coating of the chicken strips. Take 1 cup of white flour and season it with the ingredients on the screen. You will need some water as well. First cover with flour, then dip it gently in water, then coat in flour again and shake a little to remove excess. Sequence of coating will be flour, water, flour, and shake. I'm telling you without exaggeration that after this wrap, you won't like any other from the market. There is no need to deep fry them. Just add a little oil in a pan. Lay down your strips side by side until one side is cooked. Once you think one side is golden and crispy, turn it over. See how wonderful they are. Wrap fillings with greens and fresh crunch make them enticing and healthy. I like onions, so I will add them too. A little bit of green cabbage, and tomato wedges. You can add any greens of your choice. Heat the wrap on a flat iron. Lay down the chicken strips in the middle of the wrap. Add the salad in whatever sequence you want. Now let's make it taste good with the magical combination of sauces. 1.5 tablespoon French dressing, 1000 Island dressing 1 tablespoon, hero of this wrap, chipotle sauce according to your taste. And in the end, drizzle some authentic homemade mayonnaise. This is how you're going to fold it after tucking in all the sides. I wrap it in 2 papers. I find it easier to wrap and cut in this way. I will show you the final look after finishing it.